In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can change all default apps on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now you need to scroll down and select Apps. Then click on Choose Default Apps over here and select one of those sections. I want to change my browser apps. I have to go into Play Store and download my new default app. In my case, it's Opera Mini. I already did that, so I can go back into Default App Settings. Click on Browser Apps section, so click, and tap on Opera. Then simply go back. As you can see, now my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!